Hello everyone, Lexi here with McWane Science Center and welcome to SciSparks. The laws of physics tell us we can't create or destroy matter, but in today's episode, let's break the law. This is a piece of paper. When lit, it burns. This is something different. When lit, it vanishes? But that's not possible. Right? To understand what just happened, let's go back to the regular paper. When burned, we get a slow flame, smoke, and ash. This smoke is composed of water vapor, carbon dioxide, and a few unburned particles, causing the smoke to appear light gray. What we are seeing is combustion, a reaction using heat, fuel, and oxygen to create something new. In the case of our regular paper, we turned cellulose into water vapor, carbon dioxide, and ash. Depending on the fuel source and amount of available oxygen, the resulting products of combustion can vary. This means we can have smoke that is white from water vapor condensing, black from an incomplete reaction, or even orange from certain chemical fires. So, combustion burns and creates something new that isn't combustible, except sometimes it still is. Soot is a collection of unburned particles, usually in the form of carbon, that are left behind from an incomplete reaction. These particles, however, are still combustible. For instance, take this candle. Candle burns, wax melts, wax cools, candle reused. The unburned wax, or candle soot, is left behind, allowing for combustion to happen over and over again until there's nothing left to burn. When blown out, the candle releases smoke, which happens to have some of that unburnt wax in it, meaning you can use the smoke to relight it. Flash paper, also called nitrocellulose, is a chemically treated paper that burns hotter and faster than regular paper. This means we get a more complete reaction, leaving us with only water vapor, carbon dioxide, and carbon monoxide. This all disperses, and voila! We burned paper into thin air. Knowing how combustion works and the products it produces is not only used in the science industry, but in everyday life. Each color of smoke can tell you what is going on in the reaction, which is important for healthcare and firefighting. Well, thank you for watching this episode of SciSparks. If you enjoyed it, be sure to leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time.